Right. Here's the bar.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Whee!
Once you make it to the deck, just hop her off toward that building to the right side.
Easy peasy. We did it! Should we wait for Cal? Yeah. And JMO? Good job, Cal! Alright, now let's wait for JMO. How was that, Cal?
Good.
Good? Was it a little scary? No, not bad at all.
You guys did so good.
Oh, cute. It's a little different without a snowboard, huh? How'd you feel coming up that?
Pretty good. There's that one really shaky spot.
Yeah. Yeah.
I almost dropped my phone. That would have been pretty bad.
This is so cool.
We could just go down and then stand right there since it's here.
Yeah. Here, I'll stand over here, and then I'll put the camera up there. It'll kind of get a picture of all of us. Kayla, come stand in front. All right, Jimmy, smile. Cal, can you see? Cal, look at the camera.
That way.
Over here.
Grab the camera, bud.
Smile. There should be something in there that's good. Should we walk around a little bit? No.
No! Stop being a downer.
But everybody smile at the camera the whole time. Okay? You see it, Cal? Now follow it up.
Oh, thank you. Alright, so first two, both on the box, middle on the left side.
Does the little be on the inside?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because it's safer that way. All right.
Yes, have a good day.
Thank you.
I'm not going to say a word for the rest of the time because I don't want anything to actually happen.
Yeah, good idea.
There's a huge parking lot there.
When we get past this kind of like this next set of rollers, we're gonna feel like we're just dropping. No.
Now I feel like I'm dropping.
I know.
This
is crazy.
It's dropping temperatures. I'm cold.
Yeah, it's a little chilly.
It's getting cold. I can't wait to just
Good. Get in there. Hop off and both go that way.
Okay.
Good job.
What did we have to run?
Man.
What did we have to run?
And you're looking good.
So we don't get hit?
Not scary at all.
Do we have to run so we don't get hit?
Yeah. She was a champ. Oh, we gotta wait for Cal too.
Biscuits.
Jane was not much of a waiver.
Cal, he's like, no.
How was it coming down that vertical spot? Nauseous?
Terribly, dude. That is like my worst thing. It's like, I know it's not that far down, but when I got to the steep part,
Yeah.
you can see straight down.
Everything.
So I was, I was white knuckled the entire time with one hand. I was scrolling on my phone so that I wasn't like